இந்த சமையல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மல்டிபிள் வர்னாஸை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். மிக்க நன்றி. தேங்க்.
Hi everyone, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen and today I'm going to show you how to do crab curry in Malaysian style. So for that I took the pan and I've put in some oil and I'm heating up the oil right now. Okay, then I'm adding fenugreek seeds once the oil has heated up. Wait for the fenugreek seeds to break a bit. Okay, here I have a blend of whole peppercorns, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Some people tend to blend them, make them as fine powder and then add them in. But for me, I prefer to just add them as whole. So I'm adding these 3 spices now. Repeating again, it's fennel, cumin and whole peppercorn. And just break them a little bit. Okay, now I'm adding in onion. A little bit of garlic. I'm adding in whole garlic. Okay, now I'm adding in tomato pieces. Just cook until the tomato becomes soft and then green chili. Green chili can be altered according to your spicy level. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of crushed cashew pieces. This will give it a really good nutty taste. And then just stir, stir, stir. Okay, now I'm going to be adding spices. So first goes in chili powder. 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Just now the chili powder was 1.5 teaspoons. Garam masala about 1 teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to let the masala cook for a little while, and once the masala has cooked, then I'll show you the next step. Okay, now the masala has cooked. I'm going to be adding some tamarind solution or tamarind paste. I'm doing this to make sure that none of the tamarind seeds goes inside my curry. I just need the water from it, the juice from it. And then let's stir, stir, stir. Let this come up to a boil. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the required amount of water. I'm adding 2 glasses of water today. Now stir, stir, stir and let this come up to a boil again. Okay, here I have the crab pieces that I'm going to be adding in. I've already cleaned them well and coated with turmeric and salt. This is mainly to make sure that the rawness of the crab or the smell of the crab goes away. So when the curry is being served, there won't be any raw crab smell. That is why I'm doing this. Okay, now I'm adding some crushed pepper powder. Crab curry will never taste the same without pepper, so pepper is always a must ingredient in crab curry. And a little bit of cumin powder, as well as fennel powder. And again we stir, stir, stir. Okay, if you notice, you can see that my crab curry is boiling, so it's the time to add in my crab pieces. And here goes the crabby. Crab curry is actually really easy to cook, and it's very fast as well because the crab itself only takes about 10 minutes to cook. So it's not that long. So now that I've added the crab pieces, we're just going to cook it for about 10 minutes. And now I'm also going to be adding in some ginger garlic paste. And now we're going to stir this and let it cook for about 10 minutes. I'm adding salt now as required. I'm using Himalayan salt. Okay, now if you see, my crab curry has cooked. The crab pieces has been cooked. As you know, as a Malaysian, coconut is a must in almost all the cooking. So to make it a bit more tasty, to make it more tasty, more creamy, I'm adding coconut milk, about 1 glass. Coconut is a must almost in every Malaysian dish. You can see how beautiful my curry looks. Usually in my house, when I serve it with rice, the rice tends to finish faster, but the crab pieces will be left because we will enjoy it slowly at the last part. You can see my curry looks good. Look at all those crab pieces cooked to perfection. Okay, I've already transferred my crab curry into the serving platter and it smells really good. I'm pretty sure all my neighbors are smelling this curry right now. It smells really, really good. So, thank you for joining me in this video. Please like and comment on this video if you have tried the recipe or how it looks. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel Multiplewarnas and see you next time. Bye-bye.